Hey, what's up YouTube? Your boy Dex here, back at you with another banger. Today we got unboxing an FTP, and this was from the drop about two weeks ago, 2 Saturdays ago. So let me know in the comments if you copped anything from it. Maybe comment, like, subscribe. Let's get into it. Ooh. Got the all over print there. It's a lot bigger than I expected. I was expecting like a TYD baby size. That's nice. Little FTP here. Check that out, guys. Definitely keeping this. Way bigger than I was anticipating. It's very nice. All over print. It's gonna go up on my shelf. We got, oh, look at that sticker. That's tight. That's nice as hell. That's really nice. It's actually the first FTP sticker I actually got. Everything in there. And we also got the FTP mesh shorts that I'm going to keep for the personal, size medium. I'm hoping these fit. I bought a medium. Maybe I should want the large. These look nice. Big mesh pocket on the side, the FTP logo there. So we're going to put these on, and here they are on. Honestly, a little bit shorter than I expected, but they're going to do. They'll be fine. They're not really that much short. Not that short. It's a little above the knee. So until next time, peace. Like and subscribe, guys.